Welcome to part 3 of the program, where we shall be demonstrating a method of removing a broken off fastener inside of a thread hole. In this demonstration, we have a set screw that has been sheared in the mounting of this gear housing. We shall be using a device known as a spiral taper extractor, commonly called an easy out. The procedure for removing the broken screw begins by preparing for drilling. First, the broken facing is filed flat. A center punch is used to pop a mark as close as we can possibly estimate to the center of the broken screw section. Our next objective is to decide on the best way to drill a hole down the center of the broken piece. We could use a hand drill, but for the sake of accuracy, we recommend that whenever possible, a drill press be used. Using the appropriate procedures, the component is set up and secured on the drill press platform. To obtain the best results, a pilot hole is first drilled with a center drill into the broken fastener. Next, we must obtain the correct twist drill size for the extractor, and this depends upon the fastener size. In our demonstration, the screw size is 10 millimeters, and according to the easy out specification, we shall require a number 3 extractor, which in turn requires a hole of between 4 and 5 millimeters. The hole is carefully drilled. Care must be taken not to drill too far and go into the component. With a hole now drilled, the extractor is attached to a suitable tap wrench, then inserted by turning anti-clockwise or to the left hand with a light downward pressure. The spiraled flutes will eventually bite into the fastener. Carefully apply power to the tap wrench, which should begin to move the fastener. Use a little penetrating fluid if the fastener is very tight. Don't overstrain on the extractor because it will break off, causing a big problem. The broken section is now removed. The broken fastener section can be removed by gripping and turning in a clockwise direction. We have demonstrated one popular method of removing a broken fastener. After the break, we are going to demonstrate how an internal thread can be restored.